And welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge, Get Started in Social Media. I'm Amy Stack, and today is day 56 of our challenge, How to Make a Playlist on YouTube. In this challenge, you will learn how to group videos together to make it easier for your viewers to find content that's related to each other or flows together. Before we get started, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing with technology for your business, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. Playlists give you the ability to group or organize your videos in a way that will help viewers know where to go to for content that is related to each other. For example, you can create a playlist that has multiple videos in the same set of tutorials. So for example, I'm doing my 66-day challenge. All of those videos are in one playlist. So they're all about the same topic, but they're separate videos. So I put them in one playlist. Another thing you can do is provide multiple ways to solve the same problem and group those together in a playlist. For example, if you know several different ways to help build your credit score, you could do several short videos on that and make a playlist about how to build up your credit score so that you can more easily purchase a house. The next thing you can do is group videos together based on the style of content. So for example, on my channel, I have some long form content where I record classes that I teach weekly. So I put all of my recorded classes in one playlist. If you're doing like a homebuyer seminar or educational pieces like that, you could put that together. You can also group together Q&A sessions or interviews. If you're interviewing local business owners and you want people to know what's going on in town, you can group all of that together so that the viewers know where to go to get that content and without having to hunt around your channel for multiple types of videos that are similar to each other. So let's go ahead and show you how to do this. You saw during our video tutorials that you can link videos or full playlists to each other and add a new video or a playlist during the upload process. So you saw that in our past videos. If you want to go back to those how to upload a video tutorials, you can absolutely do that. I'm also going to show you how to create playlists after your videos are already uploaded. So we're just going to open a new tab here. Oh, doesn't want to cooperate. There we go. Okay, so we've got our new tab. I'm just going to go to YouTube, go to my channel. And then what we're going to do is make sure you go to your home screen and we're going to find that Customize Channel button. So it loaded right to my home screen here. We're going to click this Customize Channel. And then we're going to search for the Playlist tab once that new window opens. It'll look like this. Here we go. So here is Playlist, now that we're in the Customize section. And once we click on that, we'll have the option to create a new one. So you can see I have a whole bunch of playlists going in here. I do want to point out that there are a couple that you can see are locked. So that means if you have a playlist that you want to be able to access, but you don't necessarily want to show to the public, you can do that. So these are some videos that I've liked that aren't necessarily part of my channel, but I want easy access to them later. The rest of them are playlists that I've put together for people like you to see. So you can hit this button up here called New Playlist. And then you'll be able to name it and provide some public settings for it. So new list. So like I said before, maybe you have a bunch of credit score videos. How to improve your credit score. Okay, so you could title it like that. Then you have your publicity setting here. So you can make it public, unlisted, or private. So that's what I was saying, where if I don't want other people to see it, I would make it unlisted or private. Private means that somebody can see it if you provide the link directly to them. Unlisted means that nobody can see it. But you want to make it public so your viewers can easily access it. So then go ahead and hit create. And you'll have the opportunity to add a description and add some of your videos here as well. So on the left-hand side here, you can see there's no videos yet. So we've got this little gray icon here because there's no thumbnail. Right here we have where it says no description. You can click edit and you can type whatever you want about that playlist if you want to add more than just the title. You can also edit the title right here. And when you click these three little dots, that will actually allow you to upload your videos. So it's important to know that you actually have to have your videos uploaded onto your channel to put them in here. I think that makes sense, but just in case, go ahead, click those dots, and it will ask you if you want to add videos. You see there's other settings here as well. So you would just click that add video button, and it will pull up all of the videos you've already uploaded to your channel. So we can do a video search, we can do a URL search, or we can go straight to your channel. So these are all the ones on my channel already. If you're partnering with another channel and you want to share some of their videos in a playlist, you can do that too through the YouTube search, the video search here, or the URL. I don't recommend necessarily sharing other people's content unless you guys have a plan on, you share some for them, they share some for you, and remember, it has to make sense for both of your channels. So for our purposes today, we're just going to focus on getting your videos into a playlist. So you've already got them uploaded, and all you have to do is select the videos you want to add, and then you would hit add videos. And you'll see it load, and there they are. So I just picked random ones to show you how that would work. And then once you get them in here, you can see there's these two little bars on the side. You can actually click and hold and drag them to reorder them. So for example, if you think that people should be watching these videos in a certain order, you can drag them into the order that you think they should view them. Then you can always get into your edit settings with the three dots on the right. But that is it. That's how you add a playlist to your YouTube channel. And if you decide you no longer want it, you can come into the settings here, those three little dots again, and you can just hit delete playlist. That will not delete your videos, and you can see deleting playlists is a permanent action, cannot be undone, so you'd have to recreate that entire playlist if you do want to bring it back, but it won't delete your videos. So I'm going to take that away. And that's how you add a playlist to your channel. So go ahead and tell me in the comments what topics you plan to group together to make it easy for your viewers to find similar content. And then that'll conclude our training for the day. So go ahead and join me tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. Central Time for our next challenge. And we'll be talking about adding a featured video to your channel. I'll see you then.